Western Visayas. That area is Western Visayas. Or not the west side, I mean, facing west. So,
Mga
we
kapamilya
don't
or
really know at
mga
the moment
kapuso,
the
no, yan
reason,
po
but,
ang
you know,
video
coming
ng
in
CNN.
Manila,
Kuha
we
po nila yan
are
sa
monitoring from here, and we are
nakakalulang
mobilizing volunteers from
pangyayari
nearby area in
dito po
Ormoc.
sa
So we have mobilized
Pilipinas
our team from Leyte
nitong
and from Antidongos
Hulyo
just to, you know, augment
dalawa o
the
July 2 po,
manpower
2015
there,
mga
and
kaibigan,
we
no. Alas
are
2 po
there,
ng tanghali
continue
po ang
to
nangyayari na
do the
kung
rescue and
saan
search effort
ay
with the
umabot
Coast
na po
Guard,
sa
and also attending to the survivors and attending
36
to those
ang
to the
patay
family members
sa
of the casualties.
aabot po na
Gwendolyn, what are the
173
survivors saying?
pasahero.
What kind of indications are they giving anybody about what might have happened?
At aabot naman po sa
personal
20
stories,
ang
where they were
nanatiling
traveling to, because obviously
hinahanap pa rin po ng mga otoridad sapagkat sila pa rin po ay nawawala.
To go about their daily business for work and
Ito
pleasure,
po ay
don't
isang
they?
nakakalungkot na pangyayari sa ating pong
Yeah,
mga
but
kababayan
as of now, we
dito po
cannot,
sa
we have
Pilipinas.
not,
Ito po
spoken
si
direct to
inyong
the,
kaibigan, JR
passengers,
Maribok, reporting.
aside from, you know, our people there, we're
Kanya pong
getting information from there
napapakinggan.
at the moment.
Maraming salamat.
But this boat is a passenger